I don't know, guys. What do you think? Too much? No? Just asking for a friend. I'm going to share with you what I purchased at a great deal. How's that? I'm going to start off with this beautiful piece. Oh, come on, look at this. Look how beautiful that is. If I'm not mistaken, like $400. And guess how much I paid for it? I'll tell you at the end of this video. Oh, you're not going to believe this, let me just tell you. This piece did not come with these flowers, but I couldn't wait and I added the flowers already. So you can see it. Absolutely gorgeous. And I have this in my hallway. And I will tell you how much I paid for this at the end of this video. Just checking. Are you still with me? Where is this open? Mamma mia, mamma mia, la 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 la. I love tea towels. You know, if you follow me, I absolutely love tea towels. So I always make sure to grab some whenever I go. And this time I bought some, you know, this pattern. It has this lovely checkered down here, which it creates such a beautiful accent on it. I'm going to show you. Just imagine, I'm going to hang this on my stove like this. And then I won't let anybody touch it. No, we're going to use it. Maybe. Ta-da! Of course I bought something for Christmas. What did you think? So listen, I couldn't go wrong with this. This was like, I think it was like, this here was like $35, I think. It's that beautiful Christmas tree tube thingamajiggy, whatever you want to call it. You can put it on your mantle, on your table, and wherever you want it. But then again, you know, it's so adorable, and it has this on top. And then there's another one. And it's the same thing with a beautiful tartan. That's what I was trying to say those other napkins were. Tartan pattern. Anyway, this is it right here. Very beautiful. And, you know, it starts to give birth to another one. See? So what I like to call this is, just imagine, I got the daddy tree, I got the mommy tree, and together they made a baby tree. This is so bad. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Grace, and if you haven't subscribed and you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below and hitting the bell to black. It's very important. Turn that bell to black so you can be notified when I upload. Let's go. Now, I needed one of these, like I need a whack in the head, okay? I've got two already, but, you know, sometimes you just got to go a little crazy. So I did. I got another one of these because I have mine with utensils by the stove. You can have it as a nice bucket for anything you want, and you can also use it as a vase. If I only had money to buy this piece or this piece, I would get this, believe it or not. Because that one I can only use as a vase, but this one I can use as a vase and da-da-da-da. You get the picture. So yeah, I would definitely get this one. And I could not resist this baby. And it's in that flower market pattern. Christmas is coming, so I'm going to be making lots of cookies. If you want, let me know in the comments below, and I will decorate them with the Courtney check. Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever you want. Really freak out everybody. One thing I recommend is that when you go shopping at MACKENZIE Childs, I do recommend that you get their napkins. The reason being is that you can use their napkins for decoupage. That beautiful rosy pink. These I don't see often. It's the bumblebee ones. I got another rosy pink one. I got another bee one, the bigger ones. And oh, come on, look how cute this is. I don't recall this one, but I know I loved it. If you watched my last video, I did a kettle collection for MACKENZIE Childs. Now, There was one kettle that I like the handle and I like the knob on top, but the actual kettle did absolutely nothing for me. In the napkins, I like it. Not in the kettle, go figure. The next one is a tea towel because, you know, I needed another tea towel like a, you know what. But it's cute, I don't have a green one, right? Oh, fudge my life. It has an accent on the inside, look. I didn't even know, I thought it was just green. Oh, come on, look. Ooh, looky, looky. Look. And it has this in the back. So let's open it. Oh my freaking pickle. Look. Oh, I should have got more. I didn't know this was so nice. I can't win. Wreath holder. This thing is so freaking cute. I love it. And it was like $29. And it has that beautiful Mackenzie Childs medallion or whatever you want to call it in the back. Yeah, I got another one. Got you, babe. You got me. I have a flag, but in my head, I needed another one because when you go to any Mackenzie Childs store or sale, it's not, do you need one? It's, I want it. But I don't have this one, so it's quite pretty. Checkered in the back. Da 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 da. Now, I never seen one with a teapot before. I had to get it. You know, I just had to. Mackenzie Childs had an art series or a collaboration for mugs. And this one I got. Honestly, you know what? I think it was like $29 or $39. I had absolutely no trouble getting it because look at the box. You can even use the box as a decoration. You can't go wrong with that. Not only does it come in a beautiful box, it says, pour into yourself first. See, pour into yourself first. And I think this is so important because we give so much of ourselves away that we forget who we are or if there's anything left for us. And I think that it's very important. This mug is kind of a reminder that you're still important and you need to be you. Now that I have that mug, I'm going to be doing me a lot. Okay, that didn't come out right. I also got another mug. Of course, the box is so pretty with the letter G because G is not for grace. It's for gracious or graceful. Okay, it's grace. Come on, look. It was 19 bucks. I should have bought like 10 of them. These would have made great Christmas gifts for Mackenzie Childs lovers. But you know what? When you're there, you're like, oh my God, look at this, look at this. And then you tend to forget. And when you're walking out, you go, fudgicle sticks. I should have got that, and I should have got this, and I should have got that. But by then, you know what? Eat crap because it's too late. Is this not just the perfect piece? Look at that. Oh my God. This is, okay, hold on. I do have to put on my glasses to let you know how much this was because this is such a beautiful gift for a gardener. This was, how much do you think this was? I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to save it to the end of the video. This was $29. $29. This is a Mackenzie Childs gardener, a person who likes gardening and a person who loves Mackenzie Childs. This is like their holy grail. This is like their holy grail. Look at it. This beautiful piece here, the vase, is regular, I think, 400 and change. Again, these are my flowers. I got it for, are you ready? Hold on to something. I got it for $50. 50. I know. Went weak in the knees when I seen the $50 price. I'm going, no, this has got a mistake. I felt like that lady, like, let's go pay for it. Where's the car? Where's the car? You know what I'm talking about. That's how I felt. It was like, oh, I can't believe it. This has got to be a mistake. So I'm grabbing it. And grab I did. And this one here, this again, a beautiful, stunning piece was, are you ready? $50. That's right, babe, $50. I think my heart skipped a beat. I thought, no, this can't be happening to me. I better grab it. And yeah, I did. And to be perfectly honest, you know, we're all joking here, but you can't beat these prices. So let's be realistic. If this was the full price, would I get it? No. And not that I can't afford the $400. I'm at a different point in my life. I can, but I wouldn't choose to put my $400 into this piece. But at $50, damn right I'm going to put it in there. I do have one more piece to show you, but I'm going to have to take you out to my haul because I already put it there. This is our latest friend, Frederick the Frog. Of course, my husband found him, and he couldn't wait to bring him home. Here, we're going to put him outside in the front. It doesn't come with flowers. Honestly, that's how he looks when you buy him. But I just had this from IKEA, and I just put it in there. That's the way those two pieces go together. I think I'll keep it like this for now. And then when I put that outside in the summer, I'll just slide everything over. I almost forgot. I got one of these also. Very nice. This did not come with it. I just put it in there. I have a confession to make. There is a viewer who commented in one of my videos and said, did you get the donation I made to you? YouTube had added, or I had added, I'm not sure, but there's this little portion in the bottom that says, buy me a coffee. This viewer had bought me 5 coffees, and I had no idea. I really, really, really want to thank this viewer because, and I am so sorry that I didn't see it earlier. It seems that I've inspired so many people without even thinking about it. I just wanted people to see through my eyes and believe in themselves like I sort of chose to believe in myself. I cried. Let's just say I friggin' cried when I read her message. So let me put it on here now. Anyway, that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, let me know which piece was your favorite, which one would you get, and which one would you not get. I'm curious. This is just stuff I bought that I liked and that I feel I needed. And some of them I have no use for, but I still got it. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video with all your friends because that'll help my channel grow. And I really, really do appreciate everything that you do for my channel. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never, ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.